This roadside memorial is dedicated in memory of Kristen Beaton, a young mother of a 2-year-old son and newly pregnant with her second child.
Down to earth, loving, caring. You can't say a bad word about her.
Now her husband, Nick Beaton, says her death could have been avoided if there had been an emergency alert to let people know a shooting spree was underway.
I would have not let my wife leave the dooryard if I had that broadcast come across that he was on the loose.
He says he and his wife heard about the firearms complaint in Portapique Saturday night.
It went quiet, and we thought it was over.
So the next morning, Kristen, a continuing care assistant, went to work in the area where the killer was still on the loose. She called her husband between clients, but still didn't know the shooter was dressed as an RCMP officer in what looked like an RCMP cruiser.
Minutes later, after she hung up the phone with me about the poor people down in Portapique, she hung up the phone, and moments later, he came across her.
The RCMP did send notifications on Twitter, but with seniors in the area and limited access to internet, many were not aware.
This is what I can't get over. Why wasn't there a phone alert? We've had it, tested and everything else. I've heard it before.
His nephew, Greg Blair, and his wife, Jamie, were also killed. The Premier says the province didn't send the alert because the RCMP didn't ask for it.
Quite frankly, we need the information from them. What is it that they want in that alert to notify to citizens?
The RCMP says the force will examine how the public was informed. Too late for Kristen Beaton's family, left only with memories.
When we got married and I was looking into her eyes, and she was so beautiful, and the wind was blowing.
They plan to tell their families about their pregnancy this week, a memory they'll never get to create. Kayla Hounsell, CBC News, Halifax.